Hello 104, my name is Brittany Teacher and today is Friday, March 27th, 2020. I'm here today to do your Backpack 4 lesson with you. Today we are going to read pages 68 and 69 in our student book, and we're going to answer some questions on page 64 in our homework book. So go ahead and get your homework book out and have that ready. We're going to read a magazine article called Inventive Ideas. We're going to read about new ideas and inventions. An invention is when you use old materials to solve a problem and make a new product out of something that's never been made before. So let's read about some new inventions. Do you speak doggish? Do you want to know what your dog is saying? No problem. Takara, a company in Japan, invented a small electronic machine with buttons and a screen, and has a small microphone which you put on your dog's collar. A translation program in the machine changes your dog's barking sounds into words and pictures. You can read what your dog's barks mean. Get away. I'm bored. Let's play. Wow, how cool is that? Do you have a dog? Do you want to know what your dog is saying? Maybe you should get this invention. The top 5 useless inventions. Useless means you can't use it. It doesn't work well or it doesn't help anyone. Number 1, silent alarm clock. Number 2, waterproof sponge. Number 3, black highlighter pen. Number 4, book on how to read. Number 5, transparent playing cards. These are all jokes. They're funny because these are things that wouldn't work if you use them. A silent alarm clock, silent means it doesn't make any noise. Well, how is it supposed to wake you up if it doesn't make any noise? A waterproof sponge. Waterproof means it doesn't absorb water. It doesn't soak up water. Well, we need a sponge to soak up water. How else are we going to clean with it? A black highlighter pen. That's funny because if you have a highlighter pen and it's black, you can't see the words anymore. Oh my gosh, how useless. Number 4, book on how to read. Well, if you don't know how to read in the first place, how can you read that book? How silly. Number 5, transparent playing cards. Transparent means we can see through it, kind of like a piece of glass. Well, if you're playing cards and you don't want anyone to know what cards you're holding, if they're see-through, that's pretty useless, right? Okay, let's go to the next page. Our readers write us. From Spain. A friend told me that toothpaste is 1,000 years old. Is it true? Gregoria. Toothpaste is over 4,000 years old. Hey, I have an idea. Let's underline that sentence. Toothpaste is over 4,000 years old. Doctors in ancient Egypt used to make it from powdered stone and vinegar. It tasted pretty bad. Ugh. From Norway, which came first, roller skates or ice skates? John. The first roller skates appeared in Belgium in 1759. The inventor, Joseph Merlin, designed them to look like the ice skates of his time. So ice skates came first and then roller skates. Okay. From Argentina, who invented the yo-yo? Helga. The Chinese invented the yo-yo about 3,000 years ago. They made their yo-yos from ivory and silk cord. Underline that sentence, please. They made their yo-yos from ivory and silk cord. But the name yo-yo isn't Chinese. It's a word in Tagalog, a language of the Philippines. Interesting. Okay, great. Now, I want you to read the magazine article one more time by yourself. After you're finished reading, Open your homework book to page 64. We're going to answer question 1 and 2 from pages 68 and 69. Question number 1, how old is toothpaste? We underlined that question, that answer already in our student book. Remember, you must use correct grammar when answering this question. Toothpaste is blank years old. Okay, number 2. What did the Chinese make their first yo-yos from? Oh, we answered this in our student book too. The correct grammar for this, they made yo-yos from blank and blank. What did they make their yo-yos from? After you have finished reading and answering your homework book questions, you are done with today's lesson. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.